All right, this is homework practice 10-4. We are using tens and ones to add on an open number line. So we're solving addition problems using different strategies. So here's one strategy. It's 30 plus 29. So we're going to start with the 30 on this one and do 29 of 10, 20, and then 9 individual hops of 1. And you could also start with the 29, and then you can do 3 hops of 10 with the 30. So there's 2 different ways you can do it. It's a little bit easier when you start with a number that's not a multiple of 10, because then look, you only have to do 3 hops versus, let's see, that's 9, 10, 11 hops that you'd have to do there. So let's take a look at this one. I'm going to do the bottom strategy because I think it's easier. I'm going to start with 18. And I'm going to do 8 hops of 10 because 8 groups of 10 is 80, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, because each one of these is plus 10. Now you don't need to write plus 10 on each one. I'm just going to do it on this one so you can see. Plus 10, okay? And then let's count it. 18, 28, 38, 48, 58. Now I'm going to stop for a second. Look at the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're adding a group of 10 in the tens place, but is our ones number changing? It's not. It's still 8 in each one. So 58, 68, 78, 88, and 98 is our answer here. Now we have 60 and 24. This one ends in a 0. It's a nice multiple of 10. So I'm going to start at 24 and do 6 hops of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, and 84. So we know that our sum is 84. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the back page here. All right, we're going to count on to add, okay? Count by ones to solve 42 plus 7. So if I start at 42, and see, neither one of these has a real great multiple of 10. It doesn't have an even number of groups of 10. So I'm going to do 42 plus 7. I'm going to do 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're adding just by ones on this one here. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we know our sum's going to be 49 on that one. Okay, this is 20 plus 25. Look at this. This one has a 0 in the ones place, which means it's going to be really easy for us to add. So let's start with a number that is not multiples of 10. So 25, we're going to add 20. 10, 20. So plus 10, plus 10. 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 10 more is 45. So we know our answer is going to be 45. Okay, our higher order thinking. Why isn't counting by 1 the fastest way to add 20 plus 26 on a number line? Well, the first thing is I can draw this. If we do, let's say I'll do 26. And then if I decided to count by ones, I'd have to do 20 hops of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's a lot of hops and a lot of writing. So the fastest way is to do it by those groups of 10. Counting by 10 is faster. So why isn't counting by ones the fastest way? Well, you could write down whatever you'd like to, but you can kind of say something along the lines of, when you count by tens, you can add faster. Okay. All right, and your assessment. Now with the assessment, be sure to pause the video, make sure that's done first, and then check it. Okay, solve 42 plus 30. I'm going to start at 42 because 30 is going to be multiples of 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Okay, so we do 42 plus 10 is 52, plus 10 is 62, plus 10 is 72. So 42 plus 30 is 72.